Jason Hunter, Ward 1. So this afternoon at 2 p.m., for all those in the audience and at home who want to go back and watch the video, I systematically destroyed the flim-flam excuse I got from our city HR and attorney's office regarding why the appropriations resolution didn't need to be brought forward at the same time of the contracts. Tonight, I'm going to add a little color commentary to the comments I made this afternoon, okay? First, our management team states that appropriations resolutions don't have to be passed for charter officers. And they state Section 7 of our charter. But yet, when I look at Section 7 of our charter, it specifically says officers and employees in general. It absolutely covers them. In fact, in the first couple sentences of that section of the charter, it mentions the city attorney and the city clerk, and I think later on mentions the city manager. I don't understand that. In fact, I do understand it, actually. It's baloney. And secondly, our management team states that we didn't bring forward the resolution because we didn't have to, because it was a courtesy all this time, and it wasn't an obligation. Now, I'm thinking back to the days of Hudson and Paramus and Barber here. I don't think we did very much in this town to provide the citizens with any courtesy towards transparency. First of all, that's a comment. But secondly, then I look into the memos that state that these appropriations resolutions need to be forward to enact certain provisions of the contract, and then I look into the actual resolution itself, and it says these must be passed to enact terms of the contract above the existing master salary and fringe benefit plan. It doesn't make any sense. And lastly, if that doesn't make any sense to everyone up there, think about this. If you can only get paid, if we didn't bring forward the resolutions, okay, I also brought you a package which shows that the master salary and fringe benefit plan, the salary schedule part of it, was changed. So who changed it if it can only be changed by resolution after approval by the council? Okay, it's a catch-22. That has to be changed. It can only be changed by resolution of the council, and they're saying it wasn't brought forward. So who changed it to authorize paying these people? Lastly, I put an email above you before because I was figuring what's going to happen now is, I talked about this raise that Mr. Russo got first of this year, and I figured something was going to come out later saying, well, it was some sort of administrative mistake, and I want people to see this email exchange between myself and the city manager from March 3rd. I've asked him, your contract is backdated to January 1st. Does this qualify you for the partnership compensation model raise given to other executive employees? And I'm answered, no, I do not and have never received any benefit from the partnership compensation model. I negotiate that formula with the bargaining units, and I feel it is inappropriate to receive the same deal I bargained for. So he never received any benefit from the partnership compensation model, even if it had to be reneged later. Thank you.